Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to go over how to complete mission 9 and a part of mission 8. To partially complete mission 8, the rolling camera, the robot will use this active attachment to lower the orange lever so that later on we can allow the rolling camera to move to its designated spot to earn the max number of points. Next, the robot will use this active attachment to move this camera to its designated spot and that the boat has reached the movie set. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos on robot game strategies. I am Ryan Kittekar. This is Skill Build and let's build many skills.